The ring had been loose for weeks now, sliding toward her knuckle with every gesture. Sarah twisted it absently during their last real conversation, the gold catching kitchen light as David packed his things. It used to fit perfectly. Back when they picked it out together, laughing about ring sizes and forever promises. She'd worn it through late-night fights, through counseling sessions, through the slow fade of good morning kisses. The weight loss came with the heartbreak. Sleepless nights and forgotten meals made everything loose, including the symbol on her finger. Now she sits at the breakfast table alone again. The ring slides off without resistance. No tugging, no soap needed. Just a quiet slip onto the wooden surface. Underneath a pale band of skin marks where love used to live. She picks it up one last time, feeling its familiar weight, then walks to the bedroom dresser, drops it in the jewelry drawer. The soft thud of metal on wood sounds like a door closing.